Hi, this is George. Today we're going to use this um, wash as a basis of a doodle. I'm also going to be using my Doodle art pens. The black shapes were done with the Doodle art pens, the fine liners, using the number 10. And for the detail, I'm going to be using a number 6, number 3, as well as my uniball signal 02, well, 0.28, as it has a really fine point. I'm going to be using number 2 pencil for additional drawing, as well as my kneaded eraser. When I first did the wash, I didn't know what I was going to do with other than doodling on it. And as I was looking at it this morning, I still didn't have any firm idea what I wanted to do. But the first idea that came to mind was to add in additional shapes bordering the stuff, because what I wanted to do is I'll show you. One of the things that I like to do is break the fourth wall as it is. Remember to move your paper so that it's easier for you. And don't worry about going over the watercolor line. If you like this video so far, which hopefully you do, if you wouldn't mind hitting the like button, that way YouTube will share it out to more people. Thank you. It really helps my channel a lot. Okay. like I said, I don't know what I'm going to do before I start, but once I get going, I go with the image that is working through my mind, for good or bad. You can be the judge. I don't know if what I'm drawing now is what's going through your mind when I. This is a good thing. Let's see. Okay. And I'm going to do a little bit of rounding out some of the edges. I'll fast forward this part. Not fast forward, but speed it up. I like doing this because it adds a weight to the doodle. And every so often I will study and make sure that I get all the corners. Every so often the camera decides that my hand is more important than what I'm doing, so I apologize in advance for the occasional blurriness. So how are you today? Are you doodling along with me? You can always um, speed up the video, but if you do, um, my voice will become really squeaky, like a chipmunk. Warning on that. Unless, of course, you like chipmunks. quick question. Where are you viewing from? What country? I'm always curious where my viewer is coming from. I've had the pleasure and honor to exchange messages from across the globe, and I'm always surprised that um, that I have viewers all around, which is kind of cool. So where are you from? Let me know in the comments below. I read every comment, but because of limited time, I don't have a chance to comment back, but I do my best. And I live by a firehouse, so if you hear, like now, a fire engine in my video, that's why. Okay. I like it so far. Okay.